The Pietermaritzburg Magistrate Court is today expected to hear the case of an IEC or Electoral Commission official charged with contravening the Electoral Act. Musawenkosi Mnikathi worked as an IEC Area Manager in the uMsunduzi area and was arrested during the May 29th general elections this year. Mnikathi is accused of moving materials without a police escort, which is in contravention of the laws. Watching those developments for us is our reporter, Mondli Radebe, who joins us now from just outside court. And we've been here several times, Mondli. Perhaps it's worth just rehashing for us what's happened so far in court as we anticipate today's proceedings.
Thank you very much, Ayanda. As you correctly said, today Musawenkosi Mnikathi is going to be in court for the trial, because today it will be the start of the trial. The trial is set for the next 3 days to be basically debated in court. But you'll remember that on the 29th of May, during the election time, Mnikathi was transporting the ballot papers from a certain office to a voting station, and he was basically apprehended by the members of the uMsunduzi party, who then called the police to try and make sure that the police arrest Mnikathi, because they said he was not with escort of police at the time, and they did not want that basically those ballots to be tampered with. But today the court started at 9 o'clock. At 9, when the court started, some members of the uMsunduzi party were asked by the magistrate to please make sure that they take off their regalia and come back to court without that regalia, of which for now I'm not sure whether when we're going back inside court what will happen. And then it was a break for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then another break. They took another break because they were also adjourning other matters in that court to try to clear the courtroom so that the members of uMsunduzi can be in that court. And we are hoping that our application, because the magistrate said we must apply to broadcast this case in open court, because he did not want us to address him in his chambers. He said we have to come to court and address him in court so that we can be allowed to broadcast the proceedings today, Ayanda.
Yeah, and on Mnikathi's part, Mlondi, has he ever given an explanation around what was happening at the time when he was found with these ballot papers?
At this point in time, we don't have any information from his side, because when we were speaking to his defense team, they're saying that they are ready for the trial, but at this point in time, they can't tell us what will happen in the trial, and they're not giving us any indication on the explanation that Mnikathi at the time gave to them, or his defense.
All right, fair enough. We'll see how this trial unfolds over the next 3 days, as you say. For now, thanks very much indeed. Mondli Radebe is our reporter live to us there from just outside the Pietermaritzburg Magistrates Court in KwaZulu-Natal.